Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about how to create database in MS SQL. After creating the database, we will learn how to create a table, and then we will learn how to insert data into the table and update and delete data from table. This is the basic topic, and all these tasks we will perform using the mouse, and later on we will move to how to perform all of these tasks using the queries. When you start your MS SQL, then it's showing such type of message, and from here you have to select your SQL server name and connect with server name. And when you expand this one, show 4 5 folders. One of them is database. When you expand the database, then this one show number of database which you have created. If you have not created any database, then this will be empty. I have already created a lot of database, so we are going to topic, and we will create a new database. Okay, to create a new database, we have to right click on database and click on new database. Okay, when you right click, there will be a menu. From that menu, you have to select new database. This will take a little time. And when you click on new database, then it show box and asking for the name of the database. Okay, so I will give the name of database Cyber Training Point. Okay, after writing the name, I will click on OK button. Now you can see that I have created table but not showing in this database, so I have to refresh. You can right click here and refresh, or you can click on this icon, access on this top of this bar. Now you can find that this one is your database we have created. And our next task is we have created a table. Now we created database. Now our next task is create a table. When you expand this your database we just created, here you can see lot of folders also available, and one of them is table. Okay, we'll click on table, expand the table. You can see there are two folders, but there is no table because this one is new database. So to create a database, we repeat our action. Right click on table, click on tables. Okay, when you right click, it will appear a menu. From the menu, you have to select tables. Okay, and tables. When you click on table, there will window will appear, and window asking for column. Okay, what is the name of your column? Column is also called attributes. Okay, first we will create a column. First column name is ID. I need ID, or okay, and the type of data which I will enter into the ID is int. Int means numeric data. Okay, and there is checkbox asking that allow null. Null means empty values, allow or not. So I will not allow any empty value. Okay, and next field is attribute name. Okay, and name is varchar, or characters or varchar. Okay, we will later discuss about these data types. Now I'll keep characters. Okay, and how many characters? 200 characters I require. Okay, I have set the value for this attribute. Okay, and asking again for null values, allow or not. Okay, I will click that null values not allowed. After creating these columns, you have to click on save buttons, or there is another option. You have to go to file and save table, or control S is also present. So I will click on this save button and write the name of the table is our information table. Okay, now our information table is created. this design menu window. Now you can see that we have created table, but it's not showing in this folder. So we will click on our table and refresh. Okay, when you refresh, then it will show. Okay, you can see that table has created. Our two tasks is completed. Number one was our created database, and after we have created a table. Now we want to insert some values into database. So it's also very easy. We have to right click on our database table, okay, and there are a lot of options, and select edit top 200 rows from these options. Okay, now you can see that they are showing our two attributes or columns which we have set during the inserting tables. Okay, now ID1, and I will write the name is ABC, ID2, and I will write here X, Y, Z. Okay, now I will click on close button. Now we have done insert values. Now I want to select the entered value to check that values correctly entered into the database table or not. For this purpose, we also use the same method. Right click on the table, and on third number you can select top 1000 rows. Okay, you click on this, it will take time, and here you can see that auto this one generated auto query is a instructions which we use to interact with our database. We will later on discuss in detail, but this one we click on using the mouse. Now you can see that our database consists of two row in database. This one also called tuple. Okay, so there are two rows or two data we have entered into our system, and this one our query is showing the top 1000 rows, and there are no 1000 rows. This consists only two rows. So this one is showing that two rows. Okay, we can increase and decrease the size by changing the value. Okay, I will change the value 1000 to 1 and execute. Now you can see that it's showing only one value. If I change the value 1 to 2 and execute, this one is the execute button which execute the SQL query. Okay, we will later discuss about the query, but for your information, I have shown. Okay, right click, select 1000. Now you can see that you selected 1000 rows, but there are only two values, so it's showing only two. Now we have done our four tasks: create table, create database, create tables, okay, insert value into the database, and select value from database. Now our last task, second last task is update values. Okay, what does mean by update? For example, ABC. Now I want to add D into this, and XYZ, and for X I want to add W. Okay, to edit the record. So what we have to do? We have to go to Object Explorer and right click on our table, edit top 2000 rows. Okay, so ABC, and at the end I will small d. Okay, small d to differentiate. Okay, and W at the beginning of our second data. So I will close, click on close. Now we can check that changes made or not. Right click on table, select top 1000 rows. Now you can see that the data is edited or updated. Last our task is to delete the data from our database table. For that purpose, we will right click on our table, edit top 2000 rows, and right click on the particular row which we want to delete. Okay, I want to delete this record one, so right click on that row and click on delete button. We have to click on row. If you click on data before, as I was doing, we must click on this row. Okay, right click on most left side. This one is the row and this one is the cell. Okay, cell. If we click on cell and right click on delete, then that will delete only the data which exists in that cell. So I want to delete complete row, so we have to select the row, right click and delete. This one asking that do you want to delete, confirmation message, yes, I want to delete. Close, and now I will select. Now you can see that before there was two data, one consists of record 1 A, B, C, D, which we have deleted, so only left one data. Thank you for watching our tutorial. In next video, next lecture, we will learn how to select data from database using queries.